says, is if it is not modest to eat and walk, is it allowed to drink and walk?
I mean, it's proper not to. It's proper not to, especially for a woman. For sure, it's not. It's very, very modest. So even for a man, like Jews don't do that, right? Especially if a person can spill on themselves something.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So friend says, is it modest to eat at a restaurant with large windows or at an outdoor restaurant where someone will see you eat?
No. It's not modest for men or for women. So even like a big window, so sit like somewhere inside or with your back to the window, so nobody can see you. As it, I think we said this story before. It's better to, I don't remember if I said this story. So let me repeat the story. Maybe some people did not hear it. So it says, I think it's from a Talmud story. I don't remember from where is it story. I think it's from the Talmud. So it says, if person is watching the dead body. So one of the Jewish laws that we have constantly somebody with a dead body, a guardian, right? So because of the demons and stuff like that, right? So we have to burn the candle always in that room, and somebody has to watch the body, like until the burial, basically. And and it says when a person wants to eat, so he's a guardian, right? It's not like professional guardian, so he wants to eat, and they say what he should do. They say let him go home, eat, and come back. So okay, but if he lives very, very far, he cannot get home. Okay, they say no problem. Let him go to his friend's home, eat, and come back. Okay, so I mean, the first option was okay. So to go to a different room, he does not have any food. Okay, go home. Then go to your friend's house. Okay, there is no friend's house. And then he said, okay, so what he should do if he has food? He said, right. So if he has food, what he should do, like turn away from this dead person and eat. And the question was asked, like, tell him to go outside. Like, it's embarrassing. Like when you're in front of the dead person, like or in a cemetery, you have to hide the tzitzis. Right? You have to tuckle into pants. Why? Because like you're scoffing the dead people that you can still meet, so you can still wear the tzitzis. In this case, you can still make blessing on a food. You enjoy the food. You say blessing after the food. So and this person is dead. He or she cannot make this blessing, which is a big problem, right? So they say, but why the Gemara did not offer him to go outside? So they said it's better for him to sit in that room and never go outside and eat in public, because it's very, very embarrassing. You understand? So it's better to embarrass that person, in some sense, right? Than to go outside and eat and embarrass yourself. So all these people on this sidewalk cafe, and they speak like talk and like I don't know. Some people come. So I remember in Jerusalem we were walking on the streets and everything is outside, right? Although this cafe like tiny tables, and some people would come with a very big dog, and the dog can actually eat from the tape, from the plate or somewhere. They have to like pull out the dogs, like too much. All this attention, people looking at you, stuff like that. And plus, we said also, it is not proper in the Shkitza Shulchan Aruch. We learn in one of the sections in proper etiquette while eating, or proper manners, I would say. Right, one of the halachas was that you're not allowed to look at the person or to stare at the person when he was eating, stuff like that, right? Right. Okay. What else? You're welcome.
Says, would it be problematic to eat inside a car? We have some shades in the windows, perhaps.
Yeah, or if a person parks like somewhere like remotely and nobody's walking, there is no problem. I don't some parking lot facing I don't know the fence, so and like far away from everybody, so there is no problem.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
Question of Allah. If we work at a construction site, is it problematic to eat out in the open at a picnic table?
With everybody there. I mean, if it's all of the people together eat at one table, there is no problem. Right? Because I mean, usually construction site are like fenced, so there would not be an issue. Or it's like remote, only people from your group are there. There is no problem. But but make sure they're not scoffers. So the scoffers is a bigger issue. Right? If they're going to tell all the dirty jokes and stuff like that, so and, that's who you should have expect. So better not to be there. Just go like put a few bricks for the chair and a few bricks for the table and eat there.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So this next question is pretty much related to this last question, this latest question. I mean, it says, is one allowed to have a picnic at a park? I would assume this is in another context. I don't know, with friends or family.
I mean, a park, like if it's public park, when many people sit in it, I would say it's not proper. And one, like, first of all, you're eating in public again. And second, it's all of the immodest people. Usually people don't go to the picnic in like in the winter when it's cold. It's usually warm, and many women they like come without clothing. So what kind of picnic? It's a good place to lose a lam haba, right? You're welcome.
This next question in the verse says, if we are in a mixed company with scoffers in Torah scholars, are we obligated to speak against the scoffer or Rashaim and defend the fruit?
Could you please say it again? If in a company of Torah scholars?
Yeah, if we're in a mixed company with both scoffers and Torah scholars.
Okay.
Are we obligated to speak against the scoffer or Reshaim and defend the fruit people, the religious ones?
I think so. Yeah. If these clowns attack religious people, yeah, you have to speak up. Yes.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.